If MT5 suddenly stops working, freezes, or shows a no connection or login error, there are a few easy fixes you can try right away. First, check your internet or Wi Fi. Make sure it's stable, or try switching from Wi Fi to mobile data or the other way around to see if the connection improves. If network is good, but you still can't connect, double check your login info. Your MT5 account number, password, and especially the server must match exactly what your broker gave you. If that's all correct, completely close MT5 and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the glitch. If problems persist, reinstall the app. First delete or uninstall, then download the latest version from the official site to clear out any corrupted files or bad updates. On desktop, you can also go to the server list and choose rescan servers or manually enter the correct server address in case the available list is outdated or wrong. And finally, if all else fails, restart your phone or computer. That can clear up background network or system issues that block MT5 from working properly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.